is good, but then the trouble comes my way. But whatever happens, Lord, I thank you every day. And when I'm feeling troubled, I lift my hands and pray that you will be done in the rain or sun. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I don't want to add to it. Mine to get tomorrow on me fall down in my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I give thanks when I'm feeling lonely. I give thanks when I'm feeling glad. I give thanks in the morning, give thanks in the evening, and thanks when I'm feeling sad. I give thanks to the people who surrounds me. I give thanks to the wish you granted. I give thanks when I'm troubled, be blessed and be humble. Give thanks for everything I have. I don't want to add to it. Mine to get tomorrow on me fall down in my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. I don't wanna act too high and mine to get tomorrow on me fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy.